6:50 a.m. and today we are leaving Bangalore and we're taking the Vande Bharat Express to Chennai. We are taking the Vande Bharat Express, which we've taken before in Kerala from Kochi to Alleppey. So I'm excited to see if this one compares or if it's the same thing or different.
I like the mariachi music.
I think it plays when the train comes.
Oh, hopefully it plays when ours comes. That'd be cool. This is nice. And there's no one behind us, so we can recline.
Whoa. I think we have about 4.5 hours until we get to Chennai, so not too bad. I think driving, it said it was like 7.
I didn't look at it driving.
I think, I don't know, I could be remembering that wrong. I think it said 7 though, so this is much faster. But after taking dozens of trains in India, I think that we have finally gotten better at boarding the train, because last time people in the comments were telling us to look at the signs that were over the platform to make sure that we were getting on the right car, and we downloaded the you can't see that, but we downloaded this Where Is My Train app that tells you like what platform to be on and like where your car is in the lineup for the train, and that made it much better. So this time we were not having to run across the platform like we normally are.
We were like, the sign said C1. We were right in front of the C1 sign, and we were able to jump right on.
It's funny how that works.
Yeah.
If you just follow the signs.
Instead of running all the way down. This is like a spicy veg donut. It's kind of what it tastes like. I've seen these in the convenience stores at like, they have them in a big jar and you can just go in and grab them and then pay for it, but I feel like they're pretty common. It's good. I think you would like it. I like the sweet donut, but I think you'd probably like this donut because it's more savory. I mean, I know it's not a donut, but one thing that I've noticed about this train is that it's really quiet on the train car. There's no one talking. There's no one making any noise.
There's no one on the phone.
Yeah.
Which is like a
That's
little weird.
That's very surprising.
There's no one playing videos with no headphones.
That's true. That's classic. There's always someone like that. But this, it's like everyone's just reading or sleeping. I feel weird even talking because no one else is talking.
ಎಡಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಗಿಲು ತೆರೆಯುತ್ತದೆ.
All right, we're in Chennai.
Yeah. Chennai.
छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज टर्मिनस.
We're out of the train station and we're attempting to take the metro. Right now we're standing in line for tickets. I think, at least, I don't know. Or we're standing in line for something.
I hope.
Posture.
What?
So let me fix my posture.
What's wrong with your posture?
I was slouching.
India is where we always cash in all of our Chase credit card points because the hotels are so nice, and the Indian hotel breakfast is always good, so it's worth cashing in the Chase points for. It's a good use of them. But we are at our hotel in Chennai. The metro was really nice. It was clean. The signs were easy to follow. I mean, it was as good of a metro as
Any other city.
Any other city.
Any other major city.
Yeah, I mean, probably nicer. Like, would you say it's nicer than like one that you've taken in the U.S.?
Yeah.
Like New York?
Than, like, DC
was it nicer than like DC? Yeah, nicer than like DC, New York Metro. I would say on par with, I don't know, other like Asian countries that we've been in. Maybe like Bangkok. I mean, this one is much smaller. I think it's only 2 lines, but same type of thing.
Bangkok, Tokyo.
Yeah, very nice. First impressions of Chennai. I really like it here. Some places I feel like you get to and you just like immediately feel the vibe that like it's going to be a place that you like. As soon as we came out of the train station, oh yeah, this is also one of the nicest train stations that I think that we've been to in India because the whole thing was covered. It was almost inside. There was an entire like seating area. Like normally you can't find anywhere to sit at the train stations, but there was a whole like indoor seating area, and yeah, it was just really nice. Everyone was really friendly. We were waiting to buy our ticket for the metro, and we were in one line, and this guy, we weren't even asking for help or anything, and he didn't work there, but he just came up to us and he was like, oh, there's another line over there that's shorter, and helped us, and he was really nice. And the lady in security was so nice to me, and she kept saying like, welcome to us being here. And yeah, it just feels so nice. I think I'm gonna like it here. Anyways, we're in Chennai.
Chennai.
Chennai. It sounds like Jenna
Yeah,
from Forrest
Chennai.
Gump.
Chennai. That's the same. It's the same thing.
I mean, it's not quite.
That's how you remember it, because everyone says Chennai.
Yeah, I don't. It's not
And
Chennai.
It's not Chennai.
It's not Chennai.
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 Yeah.
We can just say like Jenna.
Chennai.
And
Chennai. You say it really fast. You say it really fast.
okay, I'm turning this off.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye.